This is Connor. He's at week 6 in intermediates. I'm just going to show him how to do the outlines on his clipper cut. We're going to sketch a line in, just using the corner of your detailers, creating our line, yeah? Just following the hairline, not going into the haircut too much. So we're just going to go like so. And then sketching the line in. And then when you go around the ears, you just stretch the ear back and then just follow up in the middle like so, yeah. And then you bend the ear back out the way, and we're going to comb the hairs down to make sure we get a nice clean outline. We're going to go from the mastoid bone back into the middle. Like so. Just following the hairlines. We're not going to go into the haircut too much, just tidying off the little hairs like that, and then we're going to come back and then just clean up the little hairs underneath. Sometimes you get a few little hairs on the ears here, so we're just going to stretch the ear down, and with the detailers quite flat, we're just going to go up the hairs like so, yeah. Right, so same technique, and you try it on the other side. Okay, so comb down the hair, and always start at the bottom, line it up, and then you want to sketch your line in using the corner of the detailers. Perfect. Following the hairline, fantastic. Now make sure you stretch your ear back a little bit, so just stretch it back like so. It helps you get the hairline here. To the middle, perfect. Comb the hair down, and then from the mastoid bone back to the middle. Well done.